Located in Jinan City, Shandong, Chufeng Heavy Industry Machinery Company Limited, CFMG, has specialized in manufacturing almost full range of aerial work platforms, including self-propelled scissor lift, tracked scissor lift, boom lift, mobile dock ramp, dock leveler, regular movable scissor lift, aluminum alloy lift, as well as stationary scissor lift, rail-guided cargo lift. From equipment research and design, material procurement, product assembly, testing to final approval, Chufeng People concerns every detail. In order to improve product safety, precision, integrity, and innovation, Chufeng introduced a series of modern production equipment such as automatic plate cutting equipment, automatic tube cutting equipment, robot welding line for chassis, robot welding line for scissors, electrophoresis painting line, and emphasized the building of sophisticated technical team, rigorous control of standard products, and development of new technologies. With mature and scientific quality management system, GRIM inspection flow is absolutely applied to every product. At present, all products are ISO and CE certified. In China, possessing 4 sales entities in Beijing, Shenyang, Guangzhou, and Xinjiang, Chufeng has reached to all rental companies and most end customers. Internationally, powerful distributors and end customers from more than 150 countries and regions have been attracted. Honesty, tolerance, innovation, and service. It is the sum total of details that makes Chufeng your first choice, no matter which lifting solution is required. Each product is tailored to your requirements, right down to the last detail.